Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to the Future Tech channel's first video. Today we're going to be unboxing the ASUS ImagineBook 14-inch 2020. And this is seems to be one of the most popular affordable laptops on the market. So let's get into the unboxing. So it feels light. I've read that this weighs about 3.5 pounds, which is pretty light for a laptop. I like this sleek design. There's a bit of a shine. It's like a glossy finish, and over here is the more matte. You get one USB and one micro SD card slot, and USB-C, USB HDMI. Then there's the charger port and the 3.5 headphone millimeter jack. It's pretty nice. It comes with the HDMI. Up. I bought this thing from Best Buy, and I don't know why it seems to be marked up on Best Buy compared to Amazon. So if you're gonna get this, I'd recommend getting it on Amazon because you can get it for about $3.99 on Amazon, sometimes even cheaper. This is a 2020 version, so I'm not sure how long they've been making this model, but it kind of looks like they're taking inspiration from the MacBook, but feels nice. I think the 14-inch laptops are kind of like the sweet spot in laptops because, like, personally I think 15.6 is fine for me, but I know like sometimes it's a little heavy, especially if you're carrying it in a backpack all day, going to class and you already have books and stuff. So this keyboard, I believe it is not backlit. Standard touchpad. It's rocking the Intel Core M3 8th gen, and I believe it's only a dual core, and it says it's like 1.1 gigahertz, but it can get up to 3 gigahertz. I don't really understand how that works. If anyone wants to explain. But a pretty good looking laptop. I really like the white finish. Keyboard feels pretty nice. This is a nice feeling keyboard. On Amazon, there's the 128 gigabyte SSD, which is this model, is going for $3.99, but the same exact model with a 128 gigabyte SD card is like 70 bucks more, and I'm kind of not really sure why it costs 70 bucks more for that SD card. It's the same exact model, because those, as far as I know, I thought those SD cards go for like 25 bucks, but I could be wrong. And the speakers on the bottom, serial number, and I believe, let me check if this thing's charged or powered on. If it is, I don't think it is, but might as well check. Okay, I don't think it is, but the keys are nice, and I like these keys. I'm gonna put this side by side to my MacBook so you guys can get a little bit of a side by side, because I know more of you are probably more familiar with MacBooks. So this is a 15.6 2018 MacBook Pro, and this will be in the description if you want it. If you want a review on this thing, I can, but it's from 2018, so there's a lot of other reviews. I'm gonna do a comparison of the key clickiness so you guys can just hear the comparison. I actually do like it more. I actually do like this keyboard on the ImagineBook more than the MacBook, but this keyboard isn't that good. It's probably the worst thing on this MacBook. But it seems like the regular normal alphabet keys are like the same clickiness, but the keyboard on this ASUS seems to be a little louder. But I know these are really minor things. No one's gonna complain about you being too clicky. But yeah, this thing also does not have a touchscreen, which I wish it did, but if you can find this thing for under 400 bucks, I would say this is a really nice laptop for under 400 bucks, especially the 14-inch. I would say the 14-inch is my personal favorite of just portable laptop, because I think 13-inch from MacBook Pro gets a little small for me, but this 14-inch is like a bit of a sweet spot. So this thing will be perfect for taking a class. 128 gig SSD could not be enough for some people, but I know most students that's plenty. And especially if you have like a desktop and this is just if this is just for classes, perfect. Yeah, this thing is really well put together. I really like the design. But yeah, if you guys want any more videos, comment what you want next. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. You can purchase the laptop down below in the description, as well as that MacBook, if you really wanted it. But yeah, guys, all right, see you next time.